The Facebook Pixel is one of the most useful tools in your marketing arsenal. These short few lines of code will allow you to track conversions, gather and analyze data from your Facebook ads, and build targeted audiences for remarketing purposes. To create a new Facebook Pixel, first log into your Facebook Business Manager account. Once inside, on the left rail, select All Tools, then go to the Events Manager. Once inside the Events Manager, you're going to go to the left rail over here, hit Connect Data Sources, then select the Web option. On this screen, you're just going to name the pixel and then create the pixel. After you've done that, you'll just need to add lines of code to your website. Additional instructions are located in our help document.